Hello and welcome on to the Canon Coffee Workbench. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Breville Barista Express. We've replaced the grinder, so let's go ahead and pull a shot. Got it on a pretty fine grind setting to make sure we can pull a nice shot of espresso, and you can see that everything is working normally. Beautiful consistent grind here. Getting some good pressure in the pre-infusion. We pulled it pretty fine, so we're at the top end of the pressure range for espresso, but not to worry, you can dial that in because your grinder is fully functional. Looking good. And let's just make sure everything's great with the steam wand. There you go, it's all ready to go. Thank you so much for choosing Canon Coffee. If you want to check out our other videos, go ahead. Please hit like, subscribe, tap the bell, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.